It's what's on the inside that counts. Here's 3 ideas how to jazz up the inside of drawers quick, easy, and cheap. Use whatever wrapping paper you have, and you can just take and unroll it, unfold it, whatever, and just take the bottom side of the drawer, and we're just doing a rough cut. We go an inch over what we need for the inside. Just do a rough cut. This isn't perfect. See how she's creasing it with her hand? That's our guideline. We're using the creases as a pin mark. See how you can see that? And then we're just doing a rough cut all the way down. So now we're taking our rough cut just to make it easier to work with. We're laying the really nice straight edge that's from the factory towards the front of the drawer, and your yucky rough cuts towards the back because people don't pull the drawers all the way out. Now we're taking our fingernails and we're getting down in there. This is our pin mark. This is our measuring tape right here. This is a fast, easy way to do it. You can do it perfect if you want, but this works. It looks great. And then we will cut that just like you seen in the first of the video with the rough cut. See how we're just making the pin mark? So doing it this way, there's going to be a little excess towards the back. I just kind of let it flip up and it doesn't show, so I just leave it. All right, here you can see how easy it is to cut that line. Okay, this is Caitlin. Her kindergarten teacher would be so proud. She did a really good job. If you'll stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to use a rotary cutter that is used sometimes for fabric as well, and a straight edge. I don't have as good a luck with that. I'm fine with just this. Dang it, Bessie. I was wanting to show you how perfectly it fit, but guess what? The right side, we forgot to cut it. So we just took it out, cut it, and bam, it was good. So this is a toile pattern, and it's supposed to, when you open the drawer, you want the people going up and down so you can look at them. So you do want to think about that when you're doing your patterns, but I didn't want to splice a piece. And when I did it sideways, I didn't have to splice the people. Right here, we're using a straight edge and this rotary cutter that I'm talking about. Okay. Sometimes this works beautifully. I use this for the paint inlays too. That's another talk show. But anyways, I didn't have good luck with this. Okay, as you watch now, what I do, why I'm doing that little mechanism, you keep the blade really close to your straight edge and not let it go out, or you'll be cutting it off. But okay, now normally if this worked right, if I would not have taken this out and probably cut a tree limb down and it was sharp, that thing would have peeled off just beautifully, and it's kind of satisfying, like peeling a sunburn. But guess what? It was duller than crap. But I did want to show you this is a technique that some people love. It's fast, it's really precise instead of the cutting marks that you do, even though Caitlin, she does good, but that could do really good too. So I just want you to know this is out here. Another tip I didn't do, we were using the crease even for the pin mark here, but you could use a straight edge, put a pin mark all the way down, and then do the rotary cutter, and that might help too. So just don't throw this idea out. They do have baby ones of these at like Dollar Tree, so try a cheap one out. That one was about $30 right there, and you can change the blades, but they're expensive. I don't ever glue, Mod Podge, decoupage paper down. I just literally lay it there, and then they can just take it out and change it out if it gets gross. So do whatever you want there for you. Okay, right here, we're going to go ahead and stamp. So when you pull it out, it's just like, oh, that is so cute, and it makes me so happy. So just go over the top, do a little extra. This took nothing. It is so fast and easy. This will be a whole nother video, so stay tuned. I try to release a video once a week. Please like and subscribe. Help a sister out, man. All right, these are so fun. Look at that. So I'll show you at the end. And you can use a brayer to help you stamp. Okay, so this piece is so cute. I just had to show you this part. This will be a video as well coming up. Okay, here's the other idea. This is tissue paper, and I Mod Podged it on the inside of this piece. And every time I open that door, I'm so happy. So just take the extra time to do it. This is my first blended of paint, and I use DIY paint, and all of those links will be in the subscription. I sell all these products. I mail out. I'm very active on Facebook. Please watch me there if you want some tips and tricks for life. Okay? This stamp was Iron Orchid. The transfers are Iron Orchid. They are in the new release that I have all of these. Just check it out.